My name is Tolga and this is my EEE102 turn project. Now I will explain how it works. As you can see, it consists of an LCD screen, a keypad, a motion sensor, a buzzer, and 7-segment display. At first, there is no preset password, and the screen shows safety without motion. And when the motion sensor detects a motion, the word safety starts to turn in the screen. Now we want to set a password, and the screen shows that we want to set a password, and it says change. Now we're going to set a password which can be D0D0. And as we close it, it starts to turn the word safety. Now let's write our password right here. It's the first password, D0D0. Now let's set our second password. It should, let's say, CDCD. That's our second password, CDCD. And there's a third password, but it simply does the same thing, so without ado, I will show how the system works. Now, the word safety turns because the last password is on the screen. When I hold my hand off, the screen stops to save power, and when the motion detector detects a motion and a wrong password is entered, the buzzer starts to beep and the word threat starts to turn on the screen, and when the motion disappears, the word threat keeps on continuing to turn and the buzzer keeps on beeping due to the fact that someone just tried to enter a password and entered it incorrectly. And when the correct password is entered, the system will turn back to safety mode. As you can see, let's see what was our password. DCDCD. As you can see, let's enter the other password. Let's enter some incorrect passwords first. The system does not recognize them. And when I say D0, the system starts beeping and the word safety starts to turn. As you can see, it checks both passwords, and if one of them is entered, the system goes back to the safety. And due to the fact that there's no threat, the system shuts down after the motion disappears, and the screen becomes in a stable state. And other than that, there is not much to explain, so thanks for watching my video.